One spoon before bed and your throat may finally feel calm. Save this video before it disappears. Hi, I'm Gabriel K. Luma, here to help you live healthier with natural ingredients from your own kitchen. All you need is honey, half an orange, the juice of half a lemon, and a small pinch of salt. Mix everything gently until well combined. Take 1 teaspoon in the morning and another at night. This simple home remedy may help calm dry cough, reduce throat irritation, support lung comfort, and make breathing feel easier, especially during cold or seasonal changes. No complicated steps, just simple ingredients working together. Try it consistently and listen to how your body responds.